Hi, so welcome back. Kay Ross here, and our first video we looked at setting up a course, and we also looked at how to change the video. So if you haven't seen that yet, you might want to have a look at that. Now we're still in the course template, so it's pretty much how it appeared when we saved it. So we look at this and we think, okay, don't like this particular image. So let's change it. So all we need to do is to go to the cogwheel up there, and you'll see that as I did that, it came up over here. So this is the name of that particular picture that we don't want anymore. So I'm going to get rid of it, and I'm going to upload an image file. So again, like the videos, if I'd been using other pictures in this particular course, they'd all be up here. I haven't, so I need to find a video or a picture or whatever I want from my computer. So here we're in images, so I'm going to select a file from my images, and I'm going to go into pictures and find one that I want. So let's say she looks like a pretty happy woman. I'm going to add that picture to my page, and it's just going to take a moment to upload. And there it is. And here it is here. So I'm going to insert that particular picture on my page, and there it is sitting there. So next thing I'm going to do is save changes. And that's pretty much how you can change a picture. Now, if you wanted to add a picture, so let's say we want to add a picture down below, all we need to do is come over to the left-hand side, and we go down to media, and here we can see image, and we can grab that, and let's say I want to put it over here. So I'm going to have a picture. Again, this picture is already here, but I want to put a different one here. So I'm going to go back to my computer, have a look at the pictures I've got there, like that one, and I'm going to upload that picture. And I now can add that particular picture to my website. There it is there. So I'm going to save those changes. So that's how easy it is to add or change a picture to your course. We're still in the welcome, the first page, and what we've been doing is just exploring some of the features of Systeme. I'm going to make sure I've saved those changes, and I will see you in the next video where we'll customize this course page a bit more. So see you then. Bye.